Alright, April 15th, 2023, Tyler Hayes here, 1643, coming to you from Ladysmith once again with another video lined up for you. Still positioned in milepost 353.17 on the Superior submarine of the Canadian National. Northbound on the way that met M342 led by the 3036 at Sheldon. And their G-Vel to lead it. Let's check out the northbound right now as we lean back and get them. Let's go. Gauge drop. And a GMTX switcher in the third slot. Another tier 4. 3125, the NBA rebuilds back. More slow. 2225. 238-2. Coming up, 343. DP equipped -9 of the 2204. TLX 78,597. How about that? What a catch! The 341. That'll do it for that MEI rebuild of the 3125 yet again. That was previously GECX 2036. Had that other ES44 of the 2870 that was second in the middle. And the GATX leasing company of GMTX 2225. How about that? And that will do it for the 341, and we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. I'll see you down the main line. Tyler Hayes out.